Georgeville, Gilchrist.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cuyahoga County, northern Meeker County, central Stearns County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Sauk Center to Kirkwood and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Continue to stay alert for possible tornado warnings. Locations in the warning include Sunburg, New London, Spicer, Hawick, Painesville, Albany, Farming, Roscoe, Holdingford, Manana, Avon, Richmond, Grove City, Eden Valley. This is a dangerous situation. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for destructive winds, which can uproot trees, down power lines, and cause damage to roofs and windows. Evacuate mobile homes as they may be overturned. Large hail is also expected, which can cause damage to vehicles and windows. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Prepare to move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room if a tornado is spotted. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Report any significant wind or hail damage to the nearest law enforcement agency for relay to the National Weather Service. A tornado warning remains in effect for west central